I'm going to show you a solution for a low volume, ringing or muffled sound for Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. There's a problem with my right earbud, volume is low and there is a ringing sound when NAC is on. Left one has a significantly higher volume. When NAC is on, there is a ringing sound and volume is low. Now we're going to remove the metal cap. I damaged a bit, but that's okay because you are going to see when you try how hard it is. My items died in this process. It's so hard to remove. There's a glue around the cap, so use a hair dryer and heat the cap, but do it carefully, don't do it too much. This is the filter that we need to clean. This is the cause. Remove the filter carefully, then clean with a wet towel. After that, put it back in and the metal cap. Now when we test it out, right one, the one that had a low volume earlier, left one, both have the same volume now and the ringing went away. Thanks for watching.